So I am Garrett Cook with Cook Home Services. I am the head coach, which basically means I manage the day-to-day operations and make sure that my team can take care of our customers. So what we do from Cook Home Service when it comes to the level of service that we want our clients to have, obviously everybody wishes that everything goes perfect, and that's our goal. We want to make sure that you have a 5-star experience. That when you have us walk out of your home, we want it to be not only enjoyable, we want it to know that you've had a really good service or product put into your home, that you've got someone also to stand behind it. And not only does that come to doing maintenance, but also coming just to take care of it when problems arise. And we're in a small area here, and one of the things that we want to make sure, not only for myself but our entire team member, as we go to the grocery store or we go out to the restaurant, we want to make sure that when we take service for you, that when we see you in one of those places, we can walk up to you and say hi and say hello and ask how you're doing. It's never going to be one of those things where if we see each other that we both want to walk the other way. So that's our main thing. We're a family here, and that's how we want to treat our customers. We don't want to see you just one time and then never see you again. What we look at this is like a life relationship, where not only we come out to take care of your system, doing annual maintenance. When you have an issue, we're there to take care of it, and then when it's time to do that upgrade or replacement, we can take care of those things for you as well. And that's our motto here: is we're a family, and we want to make sure we provide the best experience to our customers.